On June 21, 2023, officers intervened in a domestic violence incident, promptly responding to a report of violence within a household.
What happened prior to that?
We were trying to watch a movie and she wouldn't watch the movie. She was talking to her friend on her phone.
And then what happened?
We got into a little bit of an argument and she ran into the bathroom.
And then what happened?
She was threatening stuff before that nobody had.
What about after that?
I pushed down the door and tried to take an insulin from her and she grabbed my area and then she bit me. I don't want to work it out with her. She doesn't like me. She doesn't like being around me. She's on her phone all the time. She's trying to get me in jail. I need to get my stuff out of here.
What's your last name?
Oh, hell's gonna break loose. That's all I gotta say.
What's your last name?
I will press charges against every one of you cops. The last time you guys were out here, and you guys didn't. You guys just took me to the rehab shit.
I didn't take you there. I took you to the hospital because you stabbed yourself.
Yeah.
As they arrived, they noticed a man seated outside the house. The officer approached him, seeking to understand the cause of the disturbance.
That's fine. Well, so
can we get some pictures? Can we get some pictures of you?
I want the restraining order on her.
Wait, that's a court function. That's not a.
Listen, you're not going to get a restraining order unless you cooperate with us and write statements out.
We'll take pictures of your arm.
He said, "You guys continue." What's her name? Matt.
A man revealed to the officer that his girlfriend had physically assaulted him by biting his arm, revealing a troubling case of domestic violence. Such behavior is deeply concerning and requires immediate attention to ensure the safety and well-being of those involved.
Can we get some pictures? Can we get some pictures of you?
What's her name? Matt. Matt. What's her? Matt. Lacey. What's her name?
Are you able to put them in the room?
Misty.
Real quick? Can you put them in the room so we can step down and talk to you? Well, just go and put her in the room.
Misty is her name.
We're going to explain this to you, and you just need to be cooperative, okay? Because if you're not cooperative, there's injuries on him, you bit him, I understand. When they come, listen, Misty, when it comes to domestic violence, we don't have a choice.
Why do I have to go? Why? You don't care! No, please don't touch me!
We do care. Okay?
Well, then I want to go to the hospital!
Upon entering the house, one of the officers encountered the female displaying highly aggressive behavior. This situation adds urgency to address the domestic disturbance, as it suggests a potentially volatile environment.
Talk to her now, because I have to worry anymore!
Stop pulling your
No, I don't care anymore!
Don't
Please! Please! Hold on! You guys are hurting me!
stop.
You're hurting me!
Balled up your fist at him, so.
I don't want to go! Why do I have to go?
Look, you need to stand up.
No! Well, let me
Let's
put
just
pants
sit her
on and I
forward.
will.
We'll get your pants. You need to stand up.
I don't want him
Where's
here.
your pants at?
I think.
It's his house. He's gonna come get his stuff and he's gonna leave, okay?
Well then, why can't I? Why do I have
Stand
to
up.
go?
Stand up.
Why do I have to go?
Because
You're
the
jerking my arm.
Yes,
up.
because
That's not fair. I didn't do anything. I was defending myself.
Stand up.
I was defending myself.
You need to stand
I
up.
was defending myself. I'm not allowed to defend myself.
After your day in court,
No,
explain that.
I have to work in the morning.
The man cooperated with the officers, providing detailed explanations that facilitated a swift resolution of the case. However, the woman's rude behavior posed a challenge to the proceedings. Despite the man's cooperation, her demeanor could hinder effective communication and conflict resolution efforts.
You guys beat me. You beat me.
We got body
You
cam.
beat me. You're hurting my leg.
Or no?
No, I'm not gonna spit on you.
Well, you better not. 'Cause it's
well, you already tried.
We're gonna try and get a shirt on you here.
I can't. being nice and you guys, you're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. It's hurting me.
I'll get them fixed as soon as we get you up and adjusted.
No, I'm in pain. I want to go to the hospital. You broke my ankle. I want to go to the hospital.
Sit her up, see if
I want to go to the hospital. Hold on. I want to stand up. Stand up.
Do you have a pair of pants out here?
I don't know because I can't see. Can I take my phone?
The woman's use of abusive language and offensive words towards the officers exacerbated the situation, escalating it into a series of unfortunate circumstances. Her hostile behavior not only hindered the officers' ability to resolve the case, but also potentially worsened the legal implications for her.
Why am I not going to the hospital? That's bullshit.
Hang on.
I'm in pain.
Jail's got nurses and stuff.
The bitch so she don't get a hold of him, please. That's what I meant. I'm in pain.
Okay, we'll look at it in just a second.
I don't want him in my house.
Well, it's his house too. So.
I'm getting a restraining order. I'm hurting. I work tomorrow.
Walk outside and we'll check your cuffs.
When the female refused to cooperate with the officers, they made the decision to take her into custody. However, she resisted their attempts to detain her, further complicating the situation.
Don't talk to her. Just
I'm gonna because I don't want him anymore.
stop. Just stop talking. You want me to take her?
Yeah, pull your car up to here.
I don't.
It's easiest if you turn and sit in for. Let him adjust your cuffs real quick.
Hold on, my pants are gonna fall.
Yep, we're gonna check your cuffs to make sure they're not too tight.
Doesn't care like I did nothing wrong.
That one's good. Alright, just stop. Just stop. There's no point yelling.
Now I get to go to jail because
Officers managed to arrest her and escort her to the police vehicle, but she continued to resist, fighting and yelling at them. This aggressive behavior further underscored the need for her apprehension and highlighted the challenging nature of the situation.
If you are you gonna listen to me to give you advice or not?
Ow.
Slide your butt this way.
Yes.
No, the other way, but
Ow.
yeah, like just twist your back this way so your handcuffs are off the thing.
He needs to go too. And now he's going to yell at my neighbors. Put him in jail. Can I have my phone? Can I have my phone so I can call my mom? Please. Will you please answer me?
Despite her denial of guilt, the officer placed her in the police car. Her excessively rude behavior persisted, illustrating the challenge of dealing with uncooperative individuals during law enforcement procedures.
Can I get a restraining order? Why can't I be released? So now I get in trouble for no reason. Can I apologize to you guys, please? Oh no, that don't hurt. That hurts really bad. He's gonna hurt a dog. I don't trust you. Can you please? I'm not allowed to defend myself. I'm in pain. He needs to be out by the time I get out. So will you get my mom's number out of my phone? I don't know her number. Okay, that's fine. You guys are so unfair. I just don't want to be with him anymore. How can I when it's my house? Well, if if I get a restraining order, he can't be there, right?
Yes, you can get a restraining order.
That's what I want.
Upon arrival at the jail, she was charged with multiple offenses, including resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and domestic violence. These charges reflected the severity of her actions and the legal consequences she faced for her behavior. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos.